Guys, just a super quick video today to show you how to get free Nintendo gift card codes and free Nintendo eShop codes in 2025. This is going to save you a bunch of money because I'm sure you're aware Nintendo gift cards are very rarely discounted and they can be pretty expensive. So I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide today on how to get a free $100 Nintendo gift card code in 2025. And it does only take a few minutes. Everyone can do this using just your mobile phone and an internet connection. And you need to open up the internet browser, working on iPhone and Android, and you need to go to www.robotcoupons.com. So spell it correctly, guys. Robot Coupons. This is an awesome website that I discovered, and they actually have a Nintendo gift card codes page. So if you just search for Nintendo gift, it should pop up like this: Nintendo gift cards and codes. Scroll down and you can get a $100 free Nintendo gift card code. And this is super simple to get, guys. You tap on show coupon, and because this is a pretty valuable code, you will need to verify you are not a robot and unlock your code. So once you do this, this is going to load up, and I'm going to cancel it. I don't want to waste one of these codes. I've already got enough coupon gift cards. But you're going to see a new page, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. You will need to complete a couple of tasks. There is a set of instructions. Just make sure you do read the instructions carefully, fully complete 2 tasks, and your code will be unlocked, and you can redeem it in the eShop for a $100 balance into your account. So go to Robot Coupons and navigate your way to the Nintendo gift cards page, and make sure you do fully complete the verification to unlock your code, guys, and enjoy. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.